So the HACU conference, one of the big components of it is leadership as well as career development. And the way we do that is through a lot of activities throughout the conference, which involve a lot of networking. We have networking breakfasts with the students and professionals that come in that are looking to hire for internships. We also do a lot of sessions, what we call soft skills, which are skills such as networking, personal branding, also some of those are of leadership as well, to take initiative on their own, to kind of lead with their identity, lead as being a Hispanic.
HACU means to me opportunities. Again, like in the Valley, we don't have these opportunities. You really have to go out there and go to bigger conferences, and they give me the opportunity to talk to companies that will never go down to the Valley, or I don't even know if they know about the Valley. So it's a good opportunity. I'm pretty sure there's other students that come from smaller towns that also don't have these people at their disposal like easily.
Este año, más que representar a mi Universidad de Puerto Rico, recinto de Mayagüez como estudiante, tengo el honor de representar también a la compañía Deloitte, que junto con los esfuerzos que hace HACU y Deloitte tuve la oportunidad de realizar un internado durante este verano. Así que he servido también como de guía, he servido también de ejemplo y he servido también a otros estudiantes para proveerles esa información acerca de todas las oportunidades que ofrece Deloitte y HACU también.